This video will review and demonstrate in action a soft carved surface for printmaking. This video forms part of a series exploring different printmaking surfaces for lino and relief prints. I will share reviews and art projects with each of these surfaces using my trusty file tools and printmaking inks. The soft carved block I am using has a smooth surface on one side and is slightly textured on the back. It is very flexible and has a soft rubbery plastic feel to it. The colour is a creamy white and is the same all the way through. When I purchased it online, it was labelled as a soft carved block for relief printmaking and is approximately 3mm thick. The block was very easy to cut down to size using a craft knife. I tested different inks and pens on the surface and found that most smudged when I rubbed them, so when I transferred the design onto the block, I was careful not to smudge the design for carving. Luckily, due to the light surface colour, it was very easy to see where I'd drawn on the design, which was a bonus given that I sometimes use very dark printmaking surfaces. The block lives up to its name and is very soft to carve into. The gouge cut through the surface very easily. I played around with pressure and speed, but found that lightly and slowly carving gave the best results. Too quick and the tool can slide away and make mistakes on the soft, smooth surface. I'm using a small 12x1 V-gouge here, but also used larger V-gouges and U-gouges later on in the design and had no problems with either. The soft carve does not snap or crumble like grey Hessian back lino can and is more similar to the Japanese vinyl in that you sometimes have to pull off the vinyl after you've carved it. That doesn't slow me down or bother me though. I'm using Schmink water-based ink here and it applied and adhered to the surface really well. As long as you apply a thin light layer, it holds details well and doesn't smudge when going through a press or burnishing by hand. I printed my design onto 300 GSM cotton paper, which is thick and absorbent and it transferred well. The yellow base is one I printed earlier using the same soft carved surface, so you can see that both large blocks of flat colour and detailed carving both transfer well when relief printmaking. I was really pleased with my final result when experimenting with the soft carved surface and would use it again. I did have to play around with how much ink and pressure I used as I found the block moved slightly and smudged in the press, but was able to fix this easily. Overall, I would recommend trying this surface for yourselves too. Thanks for watching, I hope it was helpful.